In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate an infographic file from Chinese to English. So we've got the Chinese version on the screen now, and we're going to make it look like this. To do it, we're going to use the Redacre app. So we open up the image that we want to translate, and then drag it into the app, and you can see it's put boxes around the text areas. Now we're going to translate everything that we can see, so we just click confirm. You can see that it's recognized it as being Chinese, and we're going to translate it into English. We click confirm, and there's a few blemishes on the screen, so we're just going to remove these by just doing a little bit of inpainting. Click clean up, and then it's going to take a few seconds to process. There we go, that's tidied that up. Click next, and there you go. You can see it's pulled in the English, and it's tried to recognize the colors, but it's not quite got it right, so we're just going to have to adjust a couple of them. So let's just adjust the colors here, make it a bit darker so they're the same. Stretch it over, make it centralized, make that one a bit bigger, and then I'm just going to make this read a bit better in English. Cooks quickly, and then stretch this and make it centralized, make it a bit bigger again, although it's probably not that important, just the model number, but there we go. And then I'm just going to make everything bold actually. Okay, I'm happy with that. So I just download it to my computer now by clicking export. That's how to translate an infographic from Chinese to English with Redacre. Get started with 5 free credits. Visit redacre.co.